Hey folks, don't know what's wrong with me today. Really tired. No, honestly, it's no joke. The purge continues. So I'm getting rid of all of these. I think I got these for free, so I don't mind letting them go. There's a couple of good tyres, but it's really not worth putting them up for sale. They're a bit rusty. They were just as rollers. And they're funny sizes. They didn't even fit the hubs properly. However, these ones are pretty good. Set of these chrome ones. Those ones, again, they just need a clean up. And those ones are really fat. However, they're not as fat as those ones. So, if you'll set of these are Chevy bolt pattern. These are unilug, which means you've got elongated holes here. So as long as your hub fits through that hole, you can pretty much put these on anything. Although you would really want a spacer to make sure it's centered. So, as I say, these are pretty fat. I need to measure them. These are 15s and the other ones are 14s. I quite like to sell them as a set. I know these are black, but they're silver underneath. So that's today's mission. Get rid of them. Well, put these up for sale. Get rid of them. Someone coming for these. And I've got this dinosaur. I try and fix it every year, and every year I fail, so it sits around the back garden. Time to go. It's nice having access to the back. Look at this. It's lovely. I could keep this door open for some ventilation when I'm grinding and painting. Yeah, that's all nice and clear for the neighbour when they arrive. It's about 2 or 3 weeks till we get the new neighbours. So I guess today I'm going to be sorting that shelf. This is all the stuff I didn't throw out. Well, obviously. But that's all the good stuff. You know, the good stuff. I've got like 3 sway bars that I can't use. Ugh. I didn't want to throw them out. Anyway, I'll get on with all that sorting. And I'll see you in a wee bit. Yeah, just ignore all that. I have now moved all the metal from there down to there and down to there. So those buckets there are full of scraps. These are more like car parts. That's just still a box of nonsense, but that's going to take years to go through and decide if I'm keeping or chucking out. This will be tools. Obviously I've got oil there and stuff. I'll probably put paint. I'm thinking about making another shelf going from here over to there, and then I can put paint and supplies and start clearing up this corner. Okay, what's next then? As you can see, I've got my wheels ready for cleaning and refurb. So I'm going to try just hose them down, scrub them, see how they come up. But for these ones, I'm going to have to try the good old SOS pads. Let us begin. I may have just derailed my plan. The plan being to sell all these wheels and put the money towards the next project. But as you can see, these chrome wheels are coming up rather nice. And I would love to put them on like a muscle car or a 50s Chevy. They are Chevy bolt patterns, so I'm kind of restricted to that, unless I get like adapter plates, but they're very wide. These are 15 by 10, and these are 15 by 8. These have currently got truck tires on them because that's the biggest tire I could get just as rollers. So they should actually be much wider than that. You can see the rim is barely, the tire is barely beyond the rim. So the tires actually should be about out to there at either side. But there's just, I think they're too nice. I wouldn't get the money's worth if I ever wanted to buy these wheels. You know, there's no way I'm going to get them for the price I got them at. That's the only one I've polished. That one needs a good polish, and obviously I need to get in all these little doodads. But I'm not going to take any more time on them until I decide if I'm keeping them or selling them. I've not even touched these with the polish and they look pretty good. What would you do? I do at least now have somewhere I can store them in the garage. I will sell the other set. I was never really keen. Plus, they are 15s at the back and 14s at the front. So it's actually pretty hard getting, you know, a brake disc conversion. They'd be fine if you were putting them on like an old traditional hot rod, like an old Model T with drums at the front. But you're not going to get, well, you're going to struggle to get an easy brake disc conversion for 14-inch wheels or 14-inch alloys. So I'm not going to do anything rash. I'm not going to put these ones up for sale just now, unless someone offers me crazy money, but I would have to spend crazy money to replace them, so I think I'll just keep them for now, but we'll see. Leave a comment. What would you do? Right, folks, I'm a wee bit scatterbrained today. I got my second COVID injection yesterday, and I'm a bit of a space cadet, so I'm going to wrap this up and sit in the living room and watch telly. See you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be doing something in Bugsy. My wife told me I wasn't allowed to use power tools. Just ignore the bit with the angle grinder, okay? Okay, see you in the next one. Bye bye.